Story of how I became very jealous about all these ACT and English people having these funny image interfaces, which are very cool. And I decided to spend the summer with one of these Google Summer of Code projects trying to implement something similar for Emacs. So I'm just going to show what it does very briefly, so you can look at it. So basically I have this file.
Could you increase the font size?
Yes, I suppose so. There must be something.
Clover plus, almost always.
Okay, I should have learned this. Yeah, I don't know how this. The whiskey. Can you read this? Okay. Yeah. Okay. So basically, you have this. This is built using ghc-mod, and here you have some of the errors shown in the way. So I'm just going to press one of these funny clip indents, so I can get an initial body of the function just automatically based on the types. But the good thing is, by using all this new type hold feature found in ghc 7.8, I can get more information. So I can start to do some kind of type-driven development. So I will just go to the next hole, and you can see that I can find all this information that is all given by ghc, just shown here and integrated. But the nice thing is I can also do case splitting. That is the feature I like more from all these modes. So I will just do it. So as you can see, now I just split on a maybe, and I get new holes. So these new holes, yes, this can be shown that now I have different information, and that's all the thing I have to fill in. So of course, the same way you do it in ACT and English, you can refine this thing with constructors and add new holes all the way down. So say for example, I know I want to return a just there, so I can just refine this. You can see below refine with, and I will just write just. So now I have a just and a body, and I'm just going to refine it again to use this duplicate function above. So let's see, just duplicate, and it takes care of all this parenthesization. So now at the end you have something that tells me, okay, I need something of type A, and I have something of type A, so okay, I will just write my X here, and it should work. But even more, we have this amazing this amazing tool called Genie, which is able to get some programs based on the type. So why shouldn't we integrate these two? So I'm just going to find out what should I write there, and press Activities. No, that's not the key. And yeah, it wrote nothing for me. So great. But the fact is, actually, I should have been lazier because I'm a Haskeller, so I should have been as lazy as possible. So let's try to find out what can it give me for me. So it gives me all the possible completion for each type. Well, there is a bug, but I'm going to fix it really. So you can see it has two possible completion. I can either return nothing all the time, or I can have this case analysis. So it's really looking into all this function, and well, I can just add it here. Of course, I can do this also. Well, I have to save all the time because that's how ghc-mod works. But I can just do the same thing and then do case splitting. No, that's not it. So do case splitting of something I'm doing, and then do case splitting again. So all the way down. And of course, with all this whole information, I think that's really great. And just to show you how many useful things we can do by using this ghc library, well, why not do the same thing for your instances? So you write just the thing, and it will write the rest of the code. So I will just use my last 30 seconds to thank my mentors, David Christensen, who worked all of this with it for Irish mode, so I could steal many of the list code, which is the one. And yeah, that's all. Just try to use it.
Yeah. Huh? Where can we get it?
Oh, it's called ghc-mod. You can just get it from Hackett. It's all working, and I'm from Melpa for the listing, so it's integrated into the image package manager. So you can just try it.
assignment is up next.